Namaste children. Today we are going to see the third session in digital documentation. In this session we are going to learn about how to format a document and mail merge. Formatting is nothing but it is a way in which the text, images, pictures, etc. are arranged or organized in a document. When we want to format a text, we need to select the text and then apply the required text formatting features. There are many ways in which formatting text can be done. One, by the use of menu options. Then we can also use the available buttons on the formatting toolbar and also using the keyboard shortcuts. This is the formatting toolbar which contains different options like font size, font style, font type, font color and different buttons for bold, italic and underline, and there are also some toggle buttons. First, let us see how to change the text case. This can be done using the cascading menu change case which is available in the format text menu. This change case option has 6 different change case options like sentence case, lowercase, uppercase, toggle case, cycle case and capitalize every word. We already know that whenever we want to apply any formatting to the text, the first thing we need to do is to select the text. In the same way, when you want to change the case also, you need to first select the text and then select any of the available case options to change the case. Next, let us see about subscript and superscript. Subscript means it refers to the value which is represented below the baseline. For example, when we consider any of the chemical formulas like H2O, so we will be writing 2 below the baseline. So when you want to represent this type of data, we use this subscript option. In the same way, superscript refers to the value which is above the baseline. For example, any mathematical equation like x square, when we want to represent a data above the baseline, we use this superscript option which is present in the formatting toolbar. To use this option, first we need to select the data and then click on subscript or superscript icon present in the formatting toolbar. The next thing we are going to learn is paragraph style. Paragraph style is nothing but the way in which you want to represent different types of paragraphs. Here in LibreOffice Writer, we have many options under this paragraph style like title, subtitle, heading 1, heading 2 and so on. The next option available with paragraphs are the alignment of the paragraphs. This can be done using the 4 alignment options available on the formatting toolbar. The paragraph can be aligned to left, right, center and justify. Whatever the alignment we need, first we need to select the paragraph and then click on any of the alignment option to see how the text is going to be aligned on the document. The next option on the formatting toolbar is using bullets and numbering. When you want to present a list of data, we use this bullets and numbering. There are many options available in the bullets and numbering. We can select the appropriate option and then apply that particular option to the text we need. Next, let us see how to set up basic page layout using styles. Page style is nothing but it is the basic layout of all the pages in the document. It includes page size, margin, header, footer, border, background and number of columns. The default style is assigned by default to the new document. When you want to change the various parameters of the page. Then we can click on the format menu and select page option, which displays the page style dialog box. In this dialog box, we can change all the format we want and then apply to the text we are preparing. Next, let us see about how to insert page break. When a document contains multiple pages where the text flows from one page to the next, we need to break the current page and move the next part of the data to the next page. In such cases, we may need to break the page forcefully. This can be done by using the page break option, which is present in the insert menu. This can also be done using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Return. Next, let us see how to create header and footer and page numbers in a document. When a document contains many pages and you want some data to be present on all the pages, then we use these headers and footers. Headers are the text which appear on the top of every page and footers appear at the bottom of the page. This can be done using the header and footer option, which is present in the insert menu. To enter page numbers, we can do it in the footer section by selecting the insert page number option. A document can be made more attractive and more informative by inserting some various elements like images, shapes and special characters. These options are present in the insert menu. When you select the image option from the insert menu, a file manager will appear from where you can select the image file and then click on open button. Then the image will be inserted in the file. Same way, when you want to insert some special characters, we can use the special character option present in the insert menu, which gives you a dialog box contains different special characters where you can select the character you want and then insert it onto the document. Apart from images and special characters, we can also insert various shapes like lines, arrows, symbols, stars, flowcharts, etc. These are present in the shape option of the insert menu. Apart from these options, we can also divide the page into 2 or 3 columns as how we see in newspapers and magazines. To do this, we can select the column option in the format menu. When we select the column option, a column dialog box will appear. Here, we need to enter the number of columns in the entry box and then click on OK. The data which is present in the document will be arranged according to the number of columns we have specified in the column dialog box. Apart from the regular continuous text, we may also need to represent some text in the tabular form. Writer makes it possible using the table option present in the menu bar. When we want to create a table, we can click on the table menu and then select the insert option, which opens the insert table dialog box in which we can specify the name of the table. We can give the number of columns and number of rows we want to be in the table. When we want to insert more rows and columns, we can use the rows above or below and columns left or right options which are available in the insert menu. When we want to delete a column or a row, we can do it using the delete option present in the table menu. Here, when we click on the delete menu, it gives you the different options to be deleted. It may ask you to delete the row, column or table. Depending on the option you are selecting, the particular row or column or the table will be deleted. Apart from creating, we can also split one table into two tables and merge two tables into a single table. This can be done using the merge cells and split cells options which are available in the table menu. We can also copy a table or move a table from one document to another. This can be done by selecting the text and then using the keyboard shortcuts Ctrl C, Ctrl V for copying and Ctrl X and Ctrl V for moving the table from one document to another. When we want to quickly print a document without any option, we can just click on the print icon. But if we want to check the document before printing, we can use the print preview option. Here, a user can check whether the document is prepared as needed and then print the document. When we click on the print option, which is available in the file menu, a print dialog box appears. From this dialog box, we can choose other options like the printer properties, printer range, copies, options, etc. and then click on OK. In this print dialog box, we also have options for printing all the pages in the document or a single pages or multiple pages. Next, let us learn about mail merge. Mail merge is a very important feature of a word processor. It is used to create a series of same document with multiple addresses. Mail merge is the process of merging the main document with the mailing address of various persons. The mailing document is merged with mailing address, hence we have the name mail merge. In mail merge, two documents are created. One with the common context, which is the main document, and the other is the address list, which is called as the data source. Now, let us see the steps in mail merge. For using mail merge, first we need to create a document and type the letter which is to be sent to multiple recipients. To create multiple letters using mail merge wizard, we need to select the mail merge wizard which is present in the tool menu. In this, a window will appear as shown in the figure. First, we will select the use current document option and then click on the next. In the second step, we need to select the document type. It may be a letter or an email message. In the third step, we need to insert the address block. For this, we need to click on the Select Different Address List button, which will open a dialog box. In that, we need to click on the Create button. Now, a new address list window will appear. In this window, we can give the address information. If we want to fill the date of the recipient, then we can do it in this dialog box. After entering the data, then we can click on OK button to close the list. After clicking on OK, the Save As dialog box will appear. Now, we need to save the list. The list will always be stored in the .csv format. After saving, we can click on the OK button, which will move back to the step 3 of mail merge wizard. Here, we need to click on the next button. When we click on the next button of the mail merge wizard, we will move on to the fourth step, which is a create salutation window will appear. In this, we can set the salutations for male and female recipients. And then click on the next button. After clicking on the next button, we will move on to the last step of the mail merge wizard. Here, an Adjust Layout window will appear. we can set the top and left margin, click and then do any changes we want and then click on the finish button. When we click on the finish button, in the next step, the writer will display the document with the mail merge toolbar below the standard toolbar. Here, you can click on the edit individual document buttons to merge the letter with the address of the recipient. Here, we can also verify all the letters of the recipient before printing. You can also use the mail merge toolbar such as exclude recipient, save merged document, print merged document and send email messages. With this, we come to an end of the digital documentation lesson. Thank you, children.